Welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Welcome to baking series part 8. Today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this soft, beautiful, yummy orange pound cake. So let's begin. In a small bowl, rub the orange zest and Castor sugar. This really helps enhance the citrus flavor in the cake once it's baked. In another large bowl, sieve all the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. In a large bowl, beat butter for 10 seconds. Now add Castor sugar in 3 parts. Beat it until it's light and fluffy for about 3 minutes. Scrape the bottom and the sides of the bowl with a spatula to make sure everything is thoroughly combined. And now beat for a few more seconds. Add vanilla essence and beat for a few more seconds. Add the eggs one at a time. Don't worry if your batter looks a little curdled at this point. It will come back together when you add the dry ingredients. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Beat for a minute until it comes all together. Add the dry ingredients in 3 parts. Using a silicone spoon, gently mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients until just combined. Finally, add the orange juice. Here I have added orange juice in 2 parts. I have taken 30 ml first, and if the batter is too thick, I am going to add the remaining 30 ml. I am going to beat the batter one more time just until it comes together. Do not overmix. Transfer the batter into the prepared baking pan. I have taken silicone mold. You can use 7-inch round pan or a square pan. Bake for 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the cake is getting baked, I am going to prepare the orange syrup. In a small saucepan, add orange juice, sugar and orange peel. Simmer over medium heat just until sugar is dissolved. Set aside. When a skewer inserted in the center of the cake pan comes out with a few moist crumbs, that means the cake is baked perfectly. Let the cake rest aside for 5 minutes. Use a long skewer to poke holes in the cake. Pour the orange syrup all over the cake. Let the cake cool down for another 15 minutes in the pan. Flip pan and turn cake onto a serving plate. So friends, if you like today's recipe, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Until then, see you by next time. Thank you.